scared. Nobody learns well
Yeah.
when they're afraid. Nobody learns well when they're under duress. And having a friendly face, or at least maybe, okay, sometimes I get this line here when I'm trying to figure out what you're doing wrong.
Mm.
The last big batch of diploma students I taught used to call them my WTF line during simulations. If they were doing something way left field, and they'd stop to go, "Ma'am, your WTF line." I'd be like, "I'm sorry, guys. Can you tell I never prompted Sims for a reason?" Um,
Yeah.
but I don't even now, like from the get-go, I always had a philosophy that learning is never meant to be a space where you're afraid. Learning is
Mm.
always meant to be a space where you are comfortable to make mistakes, comfortable to ask questions that you feel unsure of, and you're like, I'm supposed to know this, but reality check, maybe you haven't drawn the link between concept A, concept B, and concept C, and you need somebody to dial it to a level that brings all those concepts into alignment for you.